Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So if you missed my last video, I'll put it down below. I used these Afrithreaders that you see me applying right here on my hair to give myself a heatless stretch. So I just put it in a ponytail like you're supposed to, and then you wrap these little Velcro thingies around your hair, and that is what stretches it. And the Velcro doesn't snag your hair, it just sticks right onto itself. So the process was super duper easy, and yeah, it just made for nice heatless stretching because I wanted to do a nice blown out style for New Year's, but I didn't have to blow it out, so that was nice. So yeah, check that video out down below. But this next clip is actually me getting ready to style my hair after I took out those Afrithreaders. So now it is time to wand curl. So I am using this Chi or Chai, I'm actually not too sure. There's Silk Infusion, and I'm using this as a heat protectant just to protect my hair from the heat that will be applied with the wand curl. I actually didn't think I was really going to get any heat damage from a wand curler, but you never know, so I just wanted to be safe. And then I am going to section off my hair. I didn't want to work in too big of sections just because I felt like the curls would drop faster, but I also didn't want them too small because I didn't want to be wand curling my hair forever. So I think I did use a nice section of hair for the wand curl, but I'm using this Conair Infiniti Pro wand curler. I've had this literally for like 5 years now, and I've only used it like a handful of times. But yeah, this is my first section. I just combed it out with my Tangle Teaser, and then I'm going to begin wand curling. And you're actually gonna see me struggle a little bit with like how to position it because, like I said, I think I've only wand curled my hair, probably I can count on my hand in my entire life how many times I've done it. So I be struggling sometimes, but I got the hang of it and I figured it out. So once I, got my hand position how I needed it, I just wrapped my hair around the wand curl, and I chose to keep it in place for about 15 to 20 seconds, just because I wanted enough heat to get on it so that like my curls would stay. I didn't want them to drop. So yeah, 15 to 20 seconds, and then I got a nice curl. Now, I was not a big fan of this curl right here. I don't know why, but for some reason I was struggling with wand curling my hair on this opposite side. I really don't know what is up with this side, but yeah, this curl came out okay. I did actually go back in and fix it so it looked much better, but yeah, after I struggled with this one, I like literally got the hang of this wand curl thing. So I'm just going to fast forward through the process and just show you guys, and then you guys will end up seeing the finished look. guys, so this is the finished look. I actually was rushing. Me and my friends were literally running late to our New Year's Eve party that we were going to. So I had to like separate my curls off camera. I did lay my edges a little bit on the side and put 2 bobby pins right here on the side as you see. And I fluffed it just a little bit because I felt like it was a lot flatter than I wanted it. I kind of wanted a bit more volume and it was just really flat, so I honestly was not in love with this look. But now, like, looking back at it, like, it does not look bad, so I don't even know why I was like so not in love with my hair, and it looks just fine. Especially the back looks really good. I'm always worried about how the back is going to turn out, and it looks really good. My color looks really good with these curls, so it did come out cute. But I definitely do feel like I could, you know, practice a bit more when it comes to wand curls. But all in all, my hair was nice and pretty. It was a different type of look, you guys. So now, if you guys care, I did just insert this last clip of my, I don't know, me in the mirror, so you can see my hair and you can also see my dress and my heels that I wore for New Year's Eve. I had so much fun. I brought in the new year with my friends, so I hope you guys enjoyed your new year, and I hope 2020 just brings you everything that you want and desire. And I hope it's a good year for all of us. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.